Everybody wants kung fu fight. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
I'm crying.
Oh my god. You're fine.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Eat your greens, dude. It's time for you to
Not
eat.
it!
It's good for you, dude. You gotta eat 'em.
Nah!
You're gonna miss out on all your antioxidants.
Stop, dude, get out of here with that shit!
Well, then there's no dessert for you.
You think I fucking care, dude? Get
Are you serious?
Woody.
Yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well, catch this. It ain't funny.
I don't like when you sit there and you stare at me and act like you're better than me. You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a...
Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop.
People treating me like a criminal because I can't.
Ah, shit! Stop!
Small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.